gangsta. Here we are, dude. Start the video. We out here. Devil's Lake. Bouldering around.
Mikey,
started way down there.
Are you on that big rock where you can peek down?
Working away.
We've come at least 100 yards up this thing.
Can you see Mike?
Yeah.
Can he get to this rock? Oh yeah. Come over here, man. Can you? Or is it not peekable?
I'm gonna go this way, I think. Yeah. Oh God. I don't know why you guys are following my route. I really don't. Got some sap on my fingers already. Just that spot right there, dude. Oh my Lord. All right, good. It's always like the first couple steps. It's like, where do I grab?
Hey, Jake.
Woo! Nailed it. You want to come this way, dude?
Dude nailed it.
Yeah, you know what? Yes. Matter of fact, I do want to go that way. I killed it.
That dude murdered it.
Stretch that leg, man. Can't wait for tomorrow now. Felt good. I mean, that was like one step of mini tomorrow. But you know, if I killed it. All right, hole. Made it to the top. Climbed all the way through this stuff. I got one hand. One hand because I decided to film.
Oh, is that it?
Oh yeah. What is it? Devil's Doorway? Go way over there.
All on camera now. I am Albert Einstein. It's the GoPro.
Move that stick.
Really cute, dude.
Let me take a moment. Trying to get that perfect like YMCA.
Dude, is awesome, dude. I have my phone on.
You, Benji. But I'm getting like one step and like I tweak out for some reason.
Oh, come on.
So, what you're gonna say is you're gonna ask him, is the belay on? Right? And he's gonna say, the belay is on. You're gonna say, all right, climb it. And he's gonna say, all right, climb on. Does that make sense? Cool. And they're open to receiving it. You can always, do that. But some people don't like to receive it. They like to try to figure it out. It's like a little puzzle. But if you feel like you can't figure it out, you can always say, hey, you got any advice for me? Can you see anything?
Dude, Ben, how is real rocks, mate?
How you doing, all right? Good. You just loop this. Just slide it through. Make it loop back around. Oh, I see. One-handed.
Yeah, nice reach. These are good breather spots. You got it, dude. Step that right foot up, man. Yeah, buddy. Well, hell yeah, dude. I want this dude to get up there, man. Alright, man.
That's the only one I've done.
Did you make it?
Yeah, you got it.
Before we finish the video, I have to point out how much I weighed. Like, look at me in the blue shirt and yellow hard hat. That's me, out of shape, completely bad. I'm just editing this video and I'm just super disappointed, and that's how I looked. I'm surprised I was able to rock climb at all. But anyway, carry on.
Real cool. My goal isn't to climb the highest, but to be the smoothest belayer you guys have ever felt. Not bedayer, but belayer.
Yeah. Or both. Why not both?
Trying to find my next hold here.
Woo! Woo!
No. God. Quit. Whew. Kind of. Wet wall.
Nice. Oh, really? Yeah.